Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade oil. Making your own oil at home offers incredible benefits, giving you complete control over purity and ingredients. We will explore the simple yet rewarding process of transforming everyday seeds and nuts into delicious, fresh oil. This guide will walk you through everything, from selecting the best raw materials to the final steps of filtering and storing your homemade creation. Get ready to enjoy the rich flavors and health advantages of your very own handcrafted oils. Choosing the right ingredients is your first step to delicious homemade oil. Consider using organic sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, or even walnuts for distinct flavors. Before extraction, it is essential to clean your chosen seeds or nuts thoroughly, removing any debris. Then, ensure they are completely dry. Excess moisture can hinder the oil extraction process and affect the oil's shelf life. Proper preparation sets the foundation for a successful and flavorful batch of homemade oil. There are several methods to extract oil, each with unique advantages. Cold pressing uses mechanical pressure without significant heat, preserving delicate nutrients and flavors, though it might yield slightly less oil. Heat pressing, conversely, involves warming the ingredients before pressing, which can increase the oil yield considerably. For aromatic oils, infusion is a simple technique where herbs or spices are steeped in a carrier oil over several weeks, imparting their essence beautifully. Once your oil is extracted, the next step is filtering to remove any sediment, ensuring a clear and pure product. Use a fine mesh strainer or several layers of cheesecloth for best results. For optimal freshness, store your homemade oil in dark glass bottles, sealed tightly and kept in a cool, dark pantry. Properly stored, your oil can last for several months. Now, enjoy your delicious, handcrafted oil in salads for sautéing, or as a delightful drizzle over your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.